Welcome to the Moore Realtors weekly St. Louis real estate market update. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the brokers at Moore, and if you'll give me a few minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis housing market. Let's jump right in with the St. Louis real estate news. Here's some of the headlines from this week from the best source for real estate news and information for St. Louis, and it's stlouisrealestatenews.com. Some of the headlines include this is some good news this week. Pending home sales increased in March, and the prediction for an increase in existing home sales this year came. So they're predicting more sales this year than last year. A study came out by Trulia showing that buying a home is more affordable than renting a home in 4 out of 5 major cities. This is also good news. This is due to the with prices falling on homes and interest rates being low, affordability is way up. We have an interesting article on the FHA 203K financing program, which lets you buy a home that needs rehab and finance the purchase and the rehab and roll it all into a permanent FHA loan. We also have a St. Louis mortgage interest rate update from a local mortgage company. And finally, some good news from St. Louis County Assessor, the newly elected Jake Zimmerman. He's offering tax relief to victims of the tornado from last week. Now we'll get into some market data. The first two charts I'm going to share with you here in tables are for the St. Louis metropolitan area, the St. Louis MSA. And just a quick overview. You'll see for the entire St. Louis MSA, the median home price this week was $174,850, kind of about the same as last week. Most expensive listing was $6.9 million. The average asking price per square foot, $97 a foot. Average days on the market is down slightly this week, 114 days. That's how long homes have been on the market that have not sold. Total inventory of homes in the St. Louis MSA area, 20,400. And then there's additional data there as well. Basically, based upon our proprietary market action index, the market is cold. It is still a buyer's market. This next, the chart here will just show median price trend, easy for me to say. The orange is a 90-day average, and that's a little more consistent one here. And you'll see the trend. This is going back over the past year. You'll see the trend has obviously been downward, but is moving upward, and this is for the MSA. Now the data I'm going to share with you on these next charts is for the St. Louis 5-county area, which includes the city of St. Louis as well as the counties of St. Louis, St. Charles, Jefferson, and Franklin. By clicking on the charts or going to the URL shown, you can get a detailed market analysis, including charts and stats like this for any market throughout the St. Louis region. This first chart here is a chart that shows the median home sales prices, so what the median price is, or what homes are actually selling for in this 5-county area, as well as the median amount of time it's taking to sell. And you'll see over the past 12 months, the green line, which is the sales price, with the exception of a couple of peaks tied to tax credits, you'll see it's pretty much been a downward trend. However, you'll see for this year it's kind of flattening, and April is actually showing a little increase. Days on market, the blue line steadily trended upward, but once again, coming into April, we see that declining, so very good trend. Let's zoom in and take a look at just year to date. Same data, just year to date, so a little closer look. Again, the green line is median sales price, and we can see clearly it's trending upward a little bit here. It was beginning of the year, started out in the a little under 120, maybe $118,000, give or take, and now has trended up above the 120,000 mark. And the days on market peaked out here in March, somewhere around 72 days or so, and has now fallen down below 70 days. So good things there. This next chart shows the ratio of what the homes are selling for, the price they're selling for, compared to what they were listed for. I looked at this two ways. The blue line represents the final sales price to what it was listed for at the time it sold. The green line represents the ratio of the final sales price in relation to what the home was originally listed at. And we'll see again for the past 12 months it's bounced around here but clearly for both a definite trend upward here in April. And since we're at the end of April, this is a true trend. I mean, this shows the activity for the month. Again, zooming in for just the year to date, look at the same thing. It's just very clear that things are trending upwards. So this is something that hopefully will continue. Now we get into a historic chart and some historic data. This is a look back 10 years at the historic median list prices of homes for sale in the St. Louis area, as well as the median sales prices. And the blue line represents list prices. Again, you see it, steadily climbing, peaking in 06 and steadily going down, and then kind of flattening off here in this past year as far as list prices go. Sales prices, you'll see here, is pointing downward. Now, when we look a little closer, let's zoom in and look at year to date. We still see that the median sales prices are drifting downward here in the past year, but as we've seen on the year-to-date charts I showed, we are getting a little uptick in April, so this should start looking better going forward. Now, what I've given you here is a quick snapshot of the overall St. Louis market. At More Realtors, we have the knowledge, experience, and resources to counsel you, help you interpret the data, and tell you what it means to your particular situation. We can prepare custom reports and charts for you so you can stay on top of home prices and market activity in your neighborhood or area you're interested in buying a home on. Click on the chart to see complete market data. In addition, we publish a free monthly newsletter that is packed with information, news, and resources on the St. Louis real estate market. You can sign up here on our website to receive it monthly via email, or you can click on the newsletter here and be taken to a site to sign up. And finally, my partner John Williams and myself, along with our team of dedicated real estate professionals, are here to use our experience and knowledge to help make your next real estate transaction a successful one, no matter how challenging your situation may be. Click on our photos to find out more about us. And we'll see you next week. God bless.